I'm also recording on my phone because I left my camera at home by accident and people are walking by and staring at me. This is gonna be fun. Okay guys, so I am at Harry's Theater. I actually just parked and I'm about to do this challenge slash haul video, doing my groceries, and I wanted to do it kind of like a challenge, kind of like can spend over $100, but most of it has to be organic. But then I realized like that's not gonna work, because when I just buy random things, I spend well over $100 on like things that we actually need, but like not organic brands, if that makes sense. So it's just not gonna work out. Like I can't do that. So I guess it's gonna be the no budget challenge slash haul. We'll see how much money I spend. Gosh, I'm scared. Play music, I'm gonna get copyrighted for that. I really want to get some grapes, but these grapes look really sad. What's going on? There's no me that I have to have my baby spinach. Alright guys, here it is. The grand total. Are you ready? Not bad, guys. Not bad at all. Alright guys, this is a little bit of the overview of what I got at Harry's Theater. Like I showed you, I only spent $112. That is not bad. I thought I was going to spend a lot more money. So we got some tomatoes, of course, some cage-free eggs because we go through eggs so quickly. Got some margarine. I don't like regular butter. This is the best that I've ever had. This margarine is amazing, and it is excuse me, and it is only 99 cents. Of course, some Oreos because a girl's gotta have her Oreos. I got some deli meats, got honey smoked and chicken breast, and some bread. I get just the little one, the short one, because it's just two of us in here, so we don't need a really big one. We're trying not to be wasteful. We got some steak, so we got some pan frying steak and some pot roast steak. I also got some sausages, and I got some ribs. I got some fish, which I am trying to incorporate more seafood into our diet because we stick to chicken. So we're taking a little break from chicken. I got some pork butt, and I've only made pork butt once before, and it was really good. And that was like 2 years ago in 4th of July, Independence Day. And then I got some Argentinian shrimp, which I am looking forward to making that. Then over here we have some bananas, just a few because we don't want to be wasteful. Like I said, I have to have my baby spinach, so I got some baby spinach. Of course, some mandarins for Gu so he can take to work, and some apples for him to take to work as well. Then we got some roasted potatoes because we love potatoes. Over here we got some small sodas for him to take to work. I got Mountain Dew, Sierra Mist, Crush, and Pepsi. They had a sale on these. I think it was like 4 for $11. And then of course I got some yogurt. And this, I don't really have like a favorite type of yogurt, but these were on sale. I think it was like 3 for $5. So I got some of these, and I try to always get some yogurt whenever we go to the grocery store. Then of course I got some sodas. I got Dr. Pepper, Sprite, and Coca-Cola. My absolute favorite, Coca-Cola, of course. You guys know I have an addiction. And these were, I think it was like 3 for $5 or $6. And then of course I got some orange juice for breakfast and some skim milk, because your girl cannot have regular milk, she will die. So yeah guys, this is everything that I got from Harry's Theater today. And honestly, I thought I was gonna spend a lot more money, but $111 or $112 is not bad for everything that I got, especially since I got those shrimp and those ribs. I usually don't get that. So I'm really excited with how much money I spent. If you guys like these type of videos, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more haul videos, clean with meats, and makeup tutorials. Also, a lot of people stopped me while I was at Harry's Theater shopping, complimenting me on my makeup. And when I was leaving, a girl literally stopped her car just to say that my makeup looked nice. And she called me baby. It was really sweet. Alright, you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and see you in the next video. Bye!